Andrew Wilson in Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to go over some how-tos and tech tips with your Lexus. Also, follow me in my socials linked in descriptions.
Hey guys, Andrew Wilson, Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback. Did your blind spot monitoring stop working on your ES? Well, let's make sure it's on, and let me show you how to do that. Come on over. If you see where it says BSM, that stands for blind spot monitoring. So what you want to do, just simply press that button, it will light up, the mirrors will light up, and that means that system is activated again, and you can enjoy that great safety feature that we've all grown to love.
Don't forget to follow me on my socials for weekly updates on your Lexus. Also, for any immediate questions, just email me at andrew.wilson@earnhardt.com. Thank you.